friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen Jimmy Dean's breakfast croissant in the air fryer. So this is the sausage, egg, and cheese frozen croissant. We'll be cooking it straight from frozen. I'm going to now open up the package. So here's the frozen croissant. No need to defrost, cooking it straight from frozen. So now I'll take out the air fryer basket. So now I will separate this frozen croissant. I'm going to make the croissant separate and put it in the air fryer, and then take off the cheese and just leave the cheese for later. Don't put it in the air fryer right away because it tends to fly around because of the circulating fan. So you'll just cook it later, set this aside on the counter. And sausage and egg patty, just put it here. So we have the croissant and sausage and egg. And now let's put it in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 370 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 5 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this breakfast croissant. This is so nicely brown, but see, it's still soft and crispy outside and soft inside, and the sausage and egg is cooked. So now I'm going to take that piece of cheese that I set aside and put it on top of the egg. And now I will put the basket back in the air fryer for 2 minutes. It's hot, so the cheese will melt. So just leave it for 2 minutes and we'll come back and try it. And now let's take a look. So the cheese is now fully melted and the breakfast croissant is ready. So let's take it out of the air fryer. So everything is perfectly cooked. So let me just assemble it. So see the sausage and egg and cheese, it's fully cooked. Perfect. So good. I'm so excited about trying it. Look how nice. And the croissant is soft and crispy. Perfect. Now let's try it. So good. It tastes amazing. You're going to love cooking breakfast croissant in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!